Hi, everybody. This is Alexandra Lantz, and this is my online introduction. So, just a little about me. Like I said, my name is Alexandra, or you can call me Alex. I'm a first grade teacher in the Central Dauphin School District, and we actually just started our school year on Monday. This is my fifth year teaching. I did 1 year teaching kindergarten, and now this is my fourth year in first grade. So I included a picture of our new socially distanced classroom. We're doing a hybrid model. So half the kids come on Monday and Tuesday, and the other half come on Wednesday and Thursday. Currently, I am pursuing my master's in assessment, curriculum, and teaching with a STEM concentration, and I only have 2 courses left, so hopefully I will be graduating this spring. A little more about me. I'm getting married in October. Hopefully, this is my fiance, Nick, and I love riding horses. This is my horse, Goliath, and I also teach dance. So, moving on to the readings this week, I actually had a difficult time matching up the steps and phases between the two readings, but I did think that the most difficult step would be the very first step, identifying the problem or finding a focus, just because I think there are so many different areas you could go to try to solve a problem that just picking one right off the bat and sticking to it might be a little challenging because you would just want to solve every problem in your classroom all at one time. And I also think just kind of figuring out that first direction to go to and really finding that focus would be the most difficult. So, when I first read that action research should be a part of your daily teaching practice, I was just thinking that is no way possible. I can barely get all my first graders into the classroom and get their breakfast and get their backpacks unpacked before it's time to start morning meeting and get the kids on Zoom that are at home. I thought there's no way that action research is going to be an everyday thing. But after reading through the chapter, I actually do think about it a little differently because Mills really stressed that action research is a part of daily teaching practice. We're already implementing, designing, and evaluating every day. We take data so often. It's just kind of what do we do with that data and really thinking about a more specific plan or doing action research. And I really loved the quote where Mills said, "You don't need to be a superstar teacher," because I think so often we just say, "Oh, I can't do that. I don't know what kind of teachers do that, but I can't do it." But you don't have to be a superstar teacher to do action research because you already do it every day. I think the story from the field that I really resonated with the most was Rebecca Wisnikowski, the Title I resource teacher who was working with third and fourth grade English language learners who couldn't read. And immediately, when I was thinking about action research and the first thing I could do with action research in my classroom, I was thinking of my guided reading groups or my skills groups. She really stressed that testing was time consuming. And I agree, it could take a month to get all of our students tested. And then you have to make a plan for those students. And then you have to implement the plan. And you have to find time on a certain cycle day to meet with the team. And it's just exhausting. And before you know it, half the year has gone by and you really have made no progress. So I think trying new strategies on your own, making your own plan would be more effective and better for the student to really start with them as early as possible. And hopefully that will help them. And then you'll have more data to take to the team to kind of say, here, this is what I did. And I think it would just be better for everybody. So, this is a little bit about me, and I can't wait to hear about everybody else.